Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey of healing and renewal. Today, we embark on a path that resonates with us all, the path to healing a broken heart. Life has a way of testing our resilience, and at times, our hearts may shatter into a million pieces. But fear not, for every broken heart carries within it the seed of renewal. Transition. In this journey of healing, we'll learn to embrace our emotions, allowing ourselves to feel and acknowledge the pain. It's okay to cry, to grieve, and to be vulnerable, for in those raw moments, we discover our strength. As we tend to our wounded hearts, we find solace in self-compassion, knowing that our journey to healing is unique and unfolds at its own pace. Healing can also be found in the simplest acts of kindness, both given and received. Let us remember that we are not alone in our pain, and compassion can mend even the deepest of wounds. Time is a wise healer, and as days turn into nights, we find ourselves growing stronger, wiser, and more resilient. The scars we carry become a testament to our courage and the lessons we've learned. In this journey of healing, we reclaim our hope, the beacon that guides us towards brighter tomorrows. With every sunrise, we awaken to newfound possibilities and the promise of love's return. As we repair the emotional hurt, we rediscover the joys of life, the passions that ignite our souls, and the beauty that surrounds us. Dear friends, remember that healing is not linear, and it's okay to stumble along the way. Be patient with yourself, for each step, no matter how small, brings us closer to a heart renewed. So, let us walk together on this path of healing, supporting one another with compassion and understanding. For in healing our own hearts, we become beacons of hope for others who may face the same journey. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful voyage of healing a broken heart. May love and hope guide your way. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button